Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to make some Hanukkah birthday bingo cards using software called Bingo Card Printer, which you can download from bingocardprinter.com. I click Create New Bingo Card Project, and I have a choice of what kind of bingo cards I'd like to create. Choose a blank one where I enter my own words, alphabet, numbers, school subjects like English, geography, history, math, science. I can choose events, which include things like birthdays, baby showers, bridal showers, or I can choose holidays. And if I choose holidays, I get a list of holidays: 4th of July, Canada Day, Chinese New Year, Christmas, and so on. And if I scroll down, I will eventually find Hanukkah there. I can highlight it if I want to. The mouse, I can either double click or click on it and then click OK. And there's my initial Hanukkah um, uh, bingo card. And on the left hand side is the list of words, and on the right hand side is a sample bingo card. I can also add additional words. So if I want to add an additional word, let's add the word Hanukkah as an extra word. It appears on there. At the moment it appears on the bottom of the list because the words are in the order you enter them, although the initial list is in alphabetical order. But if I do sort, they will be resorted into alphabetical order. I can also delete items I don't want. So if I delete, for example, Jerusalem, I simply highlight it and click delete. Now I can adjust the size and appearance of the bingo cards. I can make a smaller 3x3 bingo card. I can make a 4x4 bingo card, 5x5, and I can also make a larger bingo card such as a 6x6, although I haven't got enough items to fill out all the spaces here, so I'd need to enter more items. So we'll go back to 5x5. I can also choose whether or not to put the heading on the bingo card, the word bingo in this case. I could change what the word bingo is, change it to a different word. I can change whether or not to have this free space square in the middle of the bingo card, and I can change the text for it. I can use the format menu to change the fonts and colors of the bingo card. So for example, let's change the heading to be, let's make it a nice light blue color, and we'll make the free space square also perhaps a different blue, and the lines will make a nice dark blue. I could change the text colors. I could also make a checkerboard. Let's make that, or a colored arrangement of the other squares. Let's make that blue and yellow, just for example. And I'll click OK. That's what my bingo card now looks like with the colors I've selected. Obviously I could go back and change that till I'm happy with them if I wanted, but I'll say I'm happy with it for now. The words here are shown in the same order as on the menu on the left hand side, but on the real bingo cards they'll be shuffled into a different order for every bingo card. So I'll have lots of different bingo cards. So I'm assuming I'm now ready to print. The options that concern printing are all here on the right hand side. Print call list, that basically tells the software to print an extra sheet with the list of the words in random order. It's very handy if you need a printed reference as a bingo caller, particularly if you're using bingo cards in a classroom or something like that. But you can turn it off if you don't want it. Just simply uncheck it, or you can check it if you want it. There, so I'm in a bit of mouse trouble. And you can choose how many bingo cards you want to print on each sheet of paper. Again, you can put more or less bingo cards on each sheet of paper. If you put more, the bingo cards will be smaller, but if you're printing a lot of bingo cards, you potentially can save quite a bit of paper, although you might have to cut the paper up if you want to give one bingo card to each player. So I'll stick to one for my demonstration. And how many different bingo cards do I want to print? So I can put in, for example, as many as I need. If I need one, I can put in one. I can put in 10, I can put in 100, 1,000, up to 9,999. So I'll put in 50 for demonstration. I'm now ready to do print. And if I do print preview, you'll see on screen what the bingo cards look like. The first page here is a list of words in random order. I click next, and I'll zoom out so you can see the whole bingo card, but it's the words arranged randomly on the bingo card. And if I click next, you'll see the second bingo card is different, and the third one is different, the fourth one is different, and so on. Every bingo card is a different arrangement of the words. One last thing I'll just show you. I mentioned the call list, which is this list of words in random order. As an alternative to that, the software does include a feature to select items for the bingo caller during gameplay, sort of in live selection. So I just do this option here, call game, chooses an item at random on the right hand side, and it shows you all the items that you've gone through so far on the left hand side with the most recent item top. So when I click next, choose another item here, and the second one scrolls down, and so on, and you'll see the new items appearing on the right and the previous items moving down as the new items appear. Eventually a scroll bar appears and so on. So that's basically it. If you go to bingocardprinter.com, you can download a free trial version of the software. Works on all recent versions of Windows. Hopefully you will like it, and if you do like it, you can register and upgrade to the full version of the software. So bingocardprinter.com, go to the website, download it, try it out. Hopefully you'll like it. Thank you very much.